Thinking about higher education? Have you considered the southwest of England? With 10 different higher education institutions in the southwest and over 50 courses, you have plenty of options to choose from. Experience student life in a student-friendly city, on the coast or in the countryside. In the southwest, you are never far from the beach. Wherever you decide to study, even if it's closer to home, there will be no shortage of new people to meet. For some people, being near to home and seeing the familiar faces of your family and friends is helpful when living independently for the first time. If you are from the southwest and decide to live at home while studying, you can also save money on rent and travel costs. Study at a lively city-based institution or a self-contained campus. You can choose either in the southwest. Did you know Devon was rated top in a Quality of Life national survey? Key areas of opportunity in the southwest include aerospace, microelectronics, marine, nuclear, science and innovation, and the rural economy. Why not study where the nation goes on holiday?